Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel JK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. The NA Sparks program has been launched to promote awareness about which field among students of the Northeastern region? A. Renewable energy. B. Space science and technology. C. Digital literacy. D. Agriculture. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which village has become the fourth fully solar powered village in Gujarat? A. Ishwarya. B. Una. C. Madhpur. D. Dordo. Correct answer is D. Question number 3. Where is India's first freight village being developed? A. Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. B. Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. C. Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. D. Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. The Subansiri Upper Hydroelectric Project is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Uttarakhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. Which state police launched Operation Sikanj in October 2025 to arrest absconding economic offenders? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Operation Chakravi was conducted by which organization to combat cyber crimes? A. National Investigation Agency. B. Intelligence Bureau. C. Enforcement Directorate. D. Central Bureau of Investigation. Correct answer is D. Question number 7. Which state ranked first in India for recovering stolen and missing mobile phones through the Central Equipment Identity Register portal? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Telangana. Correct answer is D. Question number 8. What is the name of the operation launched by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to stop illegal smuggling of Chinese firecrackers into India? A. Operation Fire Trail. B. Operation Gold Rush. C. Operation Smoke Screen. D. Operation Digital Storm. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Where was Saurya 1 inaugurated in Rajasthan? A. Jaipur. B. Jaisalmer. C. Ajmer. D. Udaipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. What is the name of the operation in which the Directorate of Revenue dismantled a hydroponic weed smuggling syndicate? A. Operation Weed Out. B. Operation Suraksha. C. Operation Chanakya. D. Operation Greenleaf. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. What is the name of portal introduced by central government for Waqf property registration? A. Umeed portal. B. Nivesh portal. C. Insaf portal. D. Surya portal. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which city has become the first in India to provide direct financial assistance for breakfast to sanitation workers? A. New Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. What is the name of the counter-terrorism operation launched in Kulgam district, Jammu and Kashmir in September 2025? A. Operation All Out. B. Operation Rakshak. C. Operation Mahdut. D. Operation Gadar. Correct answer is D. Question number 14. Which state government has launched the Startup Entrepreneurship and Innovation Policy in September 2025? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. What is the name of the portal launched on National Ayurveda Day for digitized data on Ayurvedic ingredient and products? A. Veda portal. B. Dravya portal. C. Ayush data portal. D. Arogya portal. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which ministry launched the Seher Jodi initiative? A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 17. Which state government has launched the Gaj Rakshak app to monitor elephants and prevent man-elephant conflict? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Jharkhand. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. What is the name of the campaign under which the Uttar Pradesh government has convicted over 97,000 criminals since July 2023? A. Operation Conviction, B. Operation Justice, C. Operation Rakshak, D. Operation Shakti. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Which initiative of Kerala was recently recognized by the UNICEF as a global best practice in responsible educational technology? A. Kite, B. Kerala Vidya Lakshmi Scheme, C. Kerala E-Vidya, D. Diksha Platform. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. Where was India's first Make in India 1 megawatt green hydrogen plant commissioned? A. Kandla Port, B. Visakhapatnam Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Mumbai Port. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. Which state has become the first in India to implement faceless adjudication under state goods and service tax? A. Gujarat, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Where is India's first FIFA Talent Academy for girls being established? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Telangana. Correct answer is D. Question number 23. Bharat Forecast System was developed by which institute? A. IITM Pune, B. IISc Bangalore, C. IIT Kanpur, D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. The world's largest container ship MSC Irina is currently sailing under the flag of which country? A. India, B. Pranam, C. Liberia, D. Switzerland. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. Where was the Lavender Festival 2025 organized? A. Jammu, B. Dehradun, C. Mussoorie, D. Darjeeling. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.